Hi guys, in this video we're going to talk about unlinking the components from the vehicle structure. This is part of the vehicle retirement process. Now from the previous video, my colleague had discussed how to do the first two steps of this process, which were changing the bus status to whole and the status reason pending retirement. And all the work orders related to the bus are either closed or canceled. Now, there are a lot more steps from there, right? But today we are going to focus on unlinking the components from this vehicle. I'm going to go and click on Record View. And from here, you can either get it from this vehicle field and go directly there, or you can go to the equipment menu and go to the asset. So we'll go here, double click on the equipment, go to assets, and select the vehicle that we are working with. And we will go to the structure tab. We will unlink all these attached components. So it's very simple. You just right click and unlink each and every one of these. Like that. You can just unlink all. Now, if you notice, this is a process that is very similar to the component movement, okay, where you can link components or unlink them as well. Okay, so that's done. Close that. We'll go back to the checklist tab here. Now, the rest of these steps, for instance, like removing all the PMs, schedules, or the maintenance patterns, are discussed in the advanced user guide, along with the other pieces such as the changing the asset status withdrawn or out of service. Okay. Most of the other items here are just checklist items here. So we will, for this exercise, put all these yes as they have been done behind the scene. Okay. These are all either vendor tasks or yard tasks. We will also close this work order. The asset will get withdrawn and check out service. Okay, I'll save that. Go back to the record view, and this is very much the final step. Put it into complete. And this concludes the video for this process.